I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the...
Let's talk about Christmas ornaments. I adore making Christmas ornaments. It has been like a family tradition for ages. My family has been making Christmas ornaments. My mother started the tradition. She was a young mom. Every year she made a new Christmas ornament, and the tradition has continued, and now every year all of us make Christmas ornaments, and it is so much fun. This tea is so good. This year I really wanted to try some new crafts. I've been learning knitting. I've been learning to work with my knitting machines. I've been learning needle felting to make faces for amigurumi specifically is why I wanted needle felting. But I wanted to incorporate all of those things in my ornament for the year. I wanted to incorporate all the things that I've been learning about crafting and incorporate them into ornaments in a way that made sense. It wasn't just chaotic. Because this has been a huge year of growth for me in so many ways. So I wanted to also show that growth through my craft in the ornaments. So I'm going to show you what I made. So first thing I did was I took my 22 pin machine and I twirled, I twirled it until I want to say I did 25 rows. I did 25 rows for each ornament, and then I doubled it up, seamed it together, and stuffed it to make little balls.
It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney?
And like ornament balls. And then I needle felted them.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders.
My children think it looks like a pumpkin. I did manage to make sure that they hung off kilter. Here we are. It's what it is. I'm not changing it now. This one has lavender on it, and this will be for my sister. This one is Christmas trees. One of my goals was to not spend money on these, and I didn't. I am so glad that you stopped in and helped me make some Christmas ornaments today. Maybe you're out of time and you're not making anything else this holiday, but these do work up really quick if you are looking for like a last minute Secret Santa sort of thing, or just a little appreciation gift that you can give out to someone this year. And they are so much fun. You also don't have to do the needle felting. I did attempt striping, doing different colors. But I am not particularly good at changing colors on the knitting machine. I ended up with it was very sloppy and there were a lot of holes. Like this bottom section, I think, is not as nice and neat. So I did not do the striping, but that's definitely a way you could change it up. I am so thankful that you decided to stop by and that you crafted with me today. I hope you have an amazing holiday, and I will be back again sometime soon with another video. Bye.